Okay, guys, again, I love Canva. Believe me when I say I really do. But again, if you're tired of creating your ebooks in Canva, I found another solution. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, so as you know, today we are talking about how to create a professional ebook using AI. And you guys seen how I use prompts to create beautiful pages for planners and other things, and more. I've created a lot of different pages and you've seen me do it. So just to give you a heads up. And also don't forget, get my free planner prompt starter kit today. It's free to download and you can check that out as well. So let's continue. Here is the planner that I made. The entire planner. That means all the words, everything. I went over and checked everything, checked all the words. Everything is exact. I think it is absolutely amazing. I was able to do this in ChatGPT, believe it or not. All I had to do was put in a few prompts and the ebook was completed. Look at how detailed it is. Now, you can get this same result in Canva, but I know you can just imagine how long it's going to take you to actually complete an entire ebook trying to do this much detail in Canva. Okay, now this is without buying any other type of program. Like I know they have a lot of programs that let you do your ebook um, just for that software. That's what they offer. But if you have ChatGPT and you was like, you know what, I want to learn how to use ChatGPT for everything. I don't want to pay for another software. This is your solution. Okay, I'm going to show you just to prove to you that I did do this in ChatGPT. I'm going to bring you to my very first page of it. Let's see. Try to scroll up to it. And let's see. Okay. And that is my welcome page. I did my custom cover after the welcome page. But this is my welcome page that I did. Okay. I had a prompt for that. I did the customization checklist. I did a color palette page, the pairings, and this is for this page. I forgot what the name of it was. I'll have to show you guys in a minute. What it was for. But these are all the prompts that I used, and how I did it was I actually had ChatGPT set up the book. I told it exactly what I wanted in the book, what I needed to detail, and here it is, the Planner Customization Quick Start Kit. And it just shows you how to use another product that I have that you can download as well. But it's not free, and I'm not even offering it through this page. So, but this is one of the books that I needed to create, and I was pushed for time. I had a lot of things to do, and this came out perfectly. Now, like I said, this is going to save you money if you're not willing to pay for other tools to create ebooks or anything like that. There's so much software out here that my mind is just going crazy. I just can't see myself buying another piece of software. Okay, but I'm sorry. As you can see, now if you want to have a complete tutorial on how to create an ebook, please let me know below and I will let you guys I will actually set that up so that we can have a complete tutorial, maybe have a master class for it if you want to learn how to do it. If you want to get this guide, let me know. Okay, and the guide is just going to teach you how to use some of the materials that I sell to help you customize. And as a matter of fact, let me see if I can actually go to one of the setup page. Here it is. It's a quick start guide designed to help you turn simple Canva planner templates into polished branded pages with ease. Basic. And that's even if you buy templates from somewhere else and you need to upgrade them, or if you use templates that from prompts that I've given you and you want to upgrade it and put a different twist on it and you want to do it in Canva. Okay, that's all it is. So again, guys, if you would like to have a masterclass on how to create your own ebook using ChatGPT, I please let me know in the comments section down below. And again, don't forget to get the free planner page prompt starter kit. It is free to download, and the description will be in the description box below. The link will be in the description box below. So until then, guys, I'll see you on the next video.